Hi, welcome to another junior number video. In this video, we're going to chat about adding integers. Now, here are the key things to try and learn. When we add a positive integer, we always move to the right. However, when we add a negative integer, this means we have to change direction and move to the left. All right, we'll do a couple of examples of each. Here's example 1, 2 plus positive 3. 2 plus positive 3. Here's our number line. We're asked to start at 2 and we need to add a positive integer. When we add a positive integer, we're going to the right. So we're going to the right 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and here we are at our answer of 5. So you might write down positive 5, but most of us will probably write down just 5. Right, well, what's going on with this plus positive? Plus positive just becomes a plus. Plus positive, we don't need to write the positive. So 2 plus positive 3 should and could be just written as 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. We start at 2, we move to the right by 3 spaces to get to 5. All right, what about example 2? Negative 3 plus positive 2. Negative 3 plus positive 2. So here's our number line. We're starting at negative 3, and we are adding a positive integer. When we add a positive integer, we go to the right. So we've got to go to the right 2 spaces, once, twice, and here we are at our answer, which is negative 1. So once again, what's going on? The plus and the positive just becomes a plus. So negative 3 plus positive 2 should and could be written just as negative 3 plus 2, and negative 3 plus 2 means we start at negative 3 and add 2 to the right to get to negative 1. Right, here's example 3. What about 5 plus negative 3? 5 plus negative 3. So this is here's our number line. We're starting at 5, and now we're adding a negative integer. We're adding negative 3. So when we add a negative integer, we've got to go to the left. Change direction, go to the left. So we're going to go to the left 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3, and here we are at our answer of 2. So you could write down positive 2. Most of us will just write down 2. So 5 plus negative 3 makes 2. Now what's going on with this plus and the negative? A plus and a negative really just becomes a subtract or a minus. So really, a plus and a negative can be replaced with a subtract, and we should have just written this problem as 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 makes 2. All right, here's another example to finish up. Example 4, negative 3 plus negative 2. Negative 3 plus negative 2. Well, here's our number line. We're asked to start at negative 3. When we add a negative integer, we move to the left. We've got to change direction and move to the left. So we've got to move to the left 2 spaces, 1, 2. Here we are at our answer, which is negative 5. So negative 3 plus negative 2 makes negative 5. So again, what on earth's going on? See this plus and the negative? A plus and a negative can be replaced with a subtract. So really, this problem should have just been written as negative 3 subtract 2, and negative 3 subtract 2 means start at negative 3 and move to the left 2 squares to get down to negative 5. Right, so the key ideas we've tried to learn in this video. Here are the 2 key ideas. When we add a positive, we move to the right, which is just a plus. When we add a negative integer, so a plus and a negative, just becomes a subtract, and that means we change direction and move to the left. These smiling faces may or may not help you try and remember this idea. Right, hey, thanks very much for watching.